Welcome to the post-game interview, and we have here from the winning team of Quezon, we have Coach Eric Gonzalez, and of course our best player, Will Gosum. I'd like to begin with Will. No? Will, it seems that the preparation that you did during the Holy Week seemed to work so well in this game na para bang you couldn't go wrong no? Sa laro na to no? What seems to be so right din sa mga ginagawa ninyo?
Unang-una, yung rest namin, sobrang importante yon. Talagang binigyan kami nila coach ng rest and syempre kami naman responsible kami na kahit pa paano kailangan namin maging kondisyon. So ayun, and sa training, ayun pa rin, pukpok pa rin kami, and sa defense, kahit small details sila coach, talagang tinuturo nila sa amin. So sobrang na-appreciate namin yon, and especially nasa semis na kami. So ayun.
So, okay. Coach, you held down Binyan below 40 points after 3 quarters, and then you beat them convincingly na para bang nakakapagtaka na considering that they are the number 1 team and you beat them this convincingly. So what does it tell us, Coach?
It tell us nothing actually, kasi alam niyo naman na yung series is always a 2 game kasi best of 3. So yun po, ganun pa rin po ang mindset namin. Papasalamat kami kay God dahil pinaboran niya ma-shoot yung tira namin. Sa kanila naman, hindi lang talaga na nalalaglag. Mm-hmm. So primarily, syempre, yung tulong-tulong lang po. Yun lang naman sinasabi ko sa kanila magtrabaho lang tayo na magtrabaho. Darating yung dapat darating.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, one of the marquee matchups dito sa laban na to, it's you against KG Canaleta, a more experienced player, more accomplished player, and for you to be able to pull up a win against his team convincingly, and does it boost your confidence more?
Yes, for sure. Kasi alam naman natin si Kuya KG, legend siya sa PBA So sobrang laking experience to, learning to from me and from us sa team. And ayun, nakuha namin yung win, and sobrang thankful kami doon, and siguro magre-rest lang kami, and bukas training ulit, then next day laban ulit, so ayan.
Okay. Coach, I don't want to jinx you, but since the playoffs started, you haven't lost a game. So yun ang nakikita namin, and then balanced production, iba-iba yung mga nagiging best players sa kada panalo, and yung players stepping up big in this situation na tingin mo, the team is speaking at the right time?
Actually, ang pinagpapasalamatan ko dyan, yung mga coaches ko lalo na sila Coach Jonathan, yung mga trainer. Kasi masyado po silang particular sa recovery. Minsan ako gusto ko pa mag-ensayo, pinipigilan nila, coach, balansehin lang po natin. So, yung credit po ngayon dun sa sila Coach Jonathan po siguro.
Okay.
Tutulong-tulungan. Tapos syempre, yung responsibility. Very responsible po yung mga players.
Okay, Will, you're building a winning streak, and now you're 1 win away from reaching the championship round. How do you feel now as a player?
Siyempre, may chance kami kasi naano kami sa game 1. But teamwork lang yung ginagawa namin. So, kundi naman dahil sa mga teammate ko, hindi ko naman may stops individually si Kuya KG. So tulong-tulong lang kami, and nakikinig kami lang lagi sa mga coaching staff namin, and kasi sila naman yung nakakita Sila nakakita kung anong game plan, kung ano yung observation nila sa court, and ina-apply lang namin kung ano yung tinuturo nila sa amin. So,
Coach, a step closer from making it to the finals, and we know naman pagdating sa isang series, yung close-out game is the most difficult thing to do, So what do we expect more dito sa, parang it's more of a do-or-die situation for Binyan, but on the other hand, kailangan nyo na rin kuwain as much as possible.
Yun lang po, we play hard, we play the right way, we play together.
All right.
Thank you.
And that wraps up our post-game interview. Congratulations, Coach Eric, and congratulations to you, Will. Good luck in your next game.